Can I rotate the robot? It'll be faster.
Welcome to day 6 of Robot in a Week. Today we are testing our robot and making iterations and making sure that it works. We had these artifacts and they kept going over these little rollers that we had over here. We put these onto these servos, but they kept going over and into the flywheel. So instead what we're going to do is double up on these, but that didn't work either. So what we're going to do is use these little shafts.
Whoa.
Use these little shafts with spacers on them and so that we can have a taller thing and it won't go over it.
So we decided to change the shape of our sheeter from a curve to a straight one. And so as you can see, we're now designing it an on shape so that we can manufacture it so it can fit the dimensions of our current robot.
I got an idea. This is the next largest size. What is that, right?
We have our ramp attached, however it was too flexible, so we're going to try to make sure we will have a more rigid structure for our ramp.
Since we finalized our CAD design for the shooter and the shooter ramp, we're currently working on manufacturing. Okay. Good?
As we talked about previously, we wanted to increase the height of these feeder wheels. So now what we're about to do is test them. And as you can see, it's about the height of the artifact, so it'll actually be able to grip them properly. That's the wrap for day 6. Tomorrow we're going to be running our robot and doing some full matches and just overall fine-tuning our robot with our program.